How can I view the order history for my Amazon household account?
Hey there! Welcome to this tutorial on how to view the order history for your Amazon household account. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to access and review your past orders, making it easy to keep track of your purchases. So, let's get started.
Accessing your Amazon household account.
The first step is to log in to your Amazon account. Open a web browser and go to the Amazon website. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the page where you'll find the Accounts and Lists option. Click on it to expand a drop-down menu.
Managing your Amazon household.
In the drop-down menu, you'll see a section called Your Account. Click on it to access your account settings. Scroll down until you find the Shopping Programs and Rentals section. Within this section, locate and click on the Amazon Household option. This will take you to the Amazon Household page.
Viewing your order history.
On the Amazon Household page, you'll find an overview of your household settings. Look for the Order History tab, which should be located near the top of the page. Click on the Order History tab to view your past orders.
Filtering and sorting your orders.
To make it easier to find specific orders or narrow down your search, Amazon provides several filtering and sorting options. Filter by date. If you're looking for orders within a specific time frame, you can use the Filter by Date option. Just enter the desired start and end dates, and Amazon will display the orders placed during that period. Search box. You can also use the search box to look for specific items or order details. Simply enter relevant keywords, such as product names or order numbers, and Amazon will filter the results accordingly. Sort order. By default, your orders will be displayed in reverse chronological order, with the most recent orders appearing first. However, you can change the sort order to oldest first, if you prefer to see your earliest orders at the top. That's it. You've learned how to view the order history for your Amazon household account. Remember, accessing and reviewing your past orders can help you keep track of your purchases and manage your account more efficiently. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to Amazon's customer support. Happy shopping and have a great day!